Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my InShot application. And first of all, you have to prepare your video. You have to record your video like this. And here I have recorded my video in two different angles, as you can see. And the second one, we have to overlay this video with the same video. You can just go to the VIP option and then import the same video. Okay, and I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen like this, and I'm going to cut the video. I'm just going to take this angle and I'm going to make it align with my first video, and then we're going to click on this check mark, and I'm going to cut my first video as well like this guys. And after that, we can go to the PIP menu again and just click on your second video and remove the background of your second video. You just need to click on the cut it, okay, and click on this check mark, and as you can see guys, that myself has been duplicated in this video. Alright guys, and that's how we can clone ourselves using InShot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.